The keto diet has exploded in popularity for its ability to help people lose weight and manage their blood sugar. But like any new lifestyle change, beginners often make mistakes that can hold them back from achieving their goals. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 mistakes most people make when starting the keto diet, and how you can avoid them to set yourself up for success. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Not tracking carbs properly. The cornerstone of keto is keeping your carbohydrate intake low, typically under 20 to 50 grams per day. Many beginners fail to track their carbs accurately, either underestimating the carbs in certain foods or overlooking hidden carbs in sauces, drinks, or snacks. For example, did you know that many healthy foods like certain fruits, vegetables, and even nuts can have more carbs than you think? The solution? Use a reliable app or food journal to track everything you eat. This helps you stay within your carb limits and keeps your body in ketosis, the fat-burning state that's the key to keto success. Mistake number 2. Not getting enough electrolytes. When you start keto, your body sheds water and sodium quickly. Without enough electrolytes, especially sodium, magnesium, and potassium, you can feel fatigued, dizzy, or even get headaches. This is often referred to as the keto flu. To avoid this, make sure to salt your food generously, drink plenty of water, and eat foods rich in these vital minerals. You can also supplement with electrolyte powders or tablets to stay balanced and energized. Mistake number 3. Eating too much protein. While protein is an important part of a healthy keto diet, going overboard can backfire. Eating excessive amounts of protein can lead to a process called gluconeogenesis, where your body converts excess protein into glucose. This can knock you out of ketosis and stall your progress. The key is balance. Focus on moderate protein intake, about 20% of your daily calories, while keeping fat intake higher. Stick to keto-friendly protein sources like fatty cuts of meat, fish, and eggs, but avoid going overboard. Mistake number 4. Ignoring fiber intake. When starting keto, many people focus so much on lowering carbs that they accidentally cut out fiber-rich foods. This can lead to digestive issues like constipation or bloating. Fiber is crucial for gut health, and the good news is there are plenty of low-carb fiber sources. Incorporate plenty of low-carb veggies, seeds, and fiber supplements like psyllium husk into your diet to keep things moving smoothly. This will support digestion while keeping you in ketosis. Mistake number 5. Having unrealistic expectations. The keto diet is powerful for weight loss, but it's not a magic solution. Many beginners expect rapid results in just a few days or weeks. In reality, keto is a long-term lifestyle change. Your body needs time to adapt to burning fat for fuel, and everyone's progress will be different. Instead of focusing on the scale, pay attention to other benefits of keto, like improved energy levels, mental clarity, and reduced cravings. Trust the process and give your body the time it needs to fully adjust to this new way of eating. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll set yourself up for long-term success on your keto journey. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about transforming your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more keto tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy ketoing. Check out our other videos for more keto advice and inspiration. See you in the next one.